Hey, Danny, welcome to my vlog. Well, it is a nice 68, 69 degrees out, and I'm walking up here, and I got a couple of snakes out here in the grass. I just caught her. She's out somewhere. Cute. Good size. About 3 feet. Laying up here. She goes. I disturbed her. That one was kind of a tan. Kind of jumped across the top here, but definitely got plenty of cover. Definitely out sunning themselves. Well, that's all we're gonna get for a look today. Now I got a mow down there, and I know they'll be rolling around out in that grass. So, well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe and share.